Two AI coding tools, side by side. Claude Code from Anthropic. Codex CLI from OpenAI. Pricing, models, platforms, commands, workflows, limits, benchmarks. What each is good at, what each is not. No company stories, just the spec sheet. Then the verdict. The pricing. Free tier. Claude Code has none. Claude Pro is required. Codex CLI is bundled with ChatGPT free at $0. Entry tier. Claude Pro is $17 a month on annual, $20 on monthly. Claude Code is included. ChatGPT Plus is $20 a month. Codex CLI is included. Mid-tier. Claude Code has none. Pro goes straight to max. Codex CLI has ChatGPT Business at $30 a user a month. Heavy tier. Claude Max splits into two. 5 times Pro at $100 a month, 20 times Pro at $200. Codex matches at the top. ChatGPT Pro is $200 a month for 20 times plus usage. Codex also has a $100 a month Pro tier. Same model access as the $200 tier, with 5 times plus usage standard. Through May 31, that's promotionally doubled to 10 times Codex usage as a launch bonus. What you actually pay per year. Claude Pro on annual is $204 a year. ChatGPT Plus is $240 at the top. Both Claude Max 20 times and ChatGPT Pro run $2,400 a year. Same ceiling, same price. Team pricing. Claude Team is $20 a seat on annual. ChatGPT Business is $30 a user a month. The models. Claude Code defaults to Anthropic, Sonnet 4.6, Opus 4.7, Haiku. But via the Anthropic Bayes Earl environment variable, you can route Claude Code to any provider that exposes the Anthropic Messages API. Z.AI's GLM, Moonshot's Kimi K2.6. DeepSeek through a router, local models via Alama or LM Studio. All documented, all working. Codex CLI defaults to OpenAI, GPT 5.5, GPT 5.4, GPT 5.3 Codex. Codex is open source under Apache 2.0, so you can sign in with ChatGPT or swap to your own API key against any OpenAI compatible endpoint. Both tools have model for switching mid-session. Claude swaps Opus, Sonnet, Haiku. Codex swaps GPT 5.5, GPT 5.4, and the rest. Plugging in your own API key. Claude Code uses 2 environment variables. Anthropic Bayes Earl points at your provider. Anthropic auth token holds your key. AI's GLM, 3 lines. Export Anthropic Bayes Earl to P. AIZ. Anthropic export Anthropic auth token your Xi key Claude. Moonshot's Kimi K2.6, same shape. Export Anthropic Bayes Earl to P. IPI Moonshot. Anthropic export. Anthropic auth token. Your Moonshot key Claude. Codex CLI uses OpenAI API key for OpenAI models, or a config. TOML file for any OpenAI compatible endpoint. Export OpenAI API key. Key. Codex. For a non-OpenAI provider, Codex is config. TOML takes a provider block, full schema in the docs. The Apache 2.0 source means you can also fork the client itself. Both routes are documented. Neither requires a router, unless your provider does not ship an Anthropic or OpenAI compatible endpoint. The platforms. Both run on terminal versus code, cursor, the web, and a desktop app. Claude Code adds JetBrains and iOS. Codex has neither. Codex CLI source is on GitHub under Apache 2.0. Claude Code's binary is closed. The commands. Both tools ship about 30 commands each. Both have init, clear, compact, review, resume, and fast. The names line up. The behaviors do not. Run init in Claude Code, and it generates a cloud.md file, the project memory scaffold. Run init in Codex CLI, and it generates agents.md, same idea, different file name, different schema. Claude has skill, security review, and agents for spawning subagents. Codex has apps, plugins, and personality for browsing extensions and tweaking response style. Codex has fork and side for spawning parallel sessions inside one CLI. Claude does it through the desktop app's multi-session view instead. Both have MCP support. Both have hooks. Both have subagents. The workflows. Plan mode. Claude Code has a plan tool and agents for spawning subagents. Codex CLI has an explicit plan/command. Agentic loops. Claude has loop, repeats a prompt on a timer inside a session. Codex has goal, sets a durable, persistent objective with a token budget. Survives idle time, can be paused, resumed, or cleared. This is what the community calls the Ralph loop. Loop and goal are not the same feature, even though the names rhyme. Image generation. Native in Codex CLI, invoke with ImageAgen in your prompt. Default model is GPT Image 2, not native in Claude Code. Web search. Native in Codex CLI. In Claude Code, you wire it up through MCP, cloud execution. Claude Code has routines, managed on Anthropic infrastructure. Codex CLI has cloud tasks, the Codex Cloud command. Both let you hand a task off and walk away. Memory, hooks, MCP, subagents. Both have all four. On image generation and web search, Codex ships them in the box. Claude Code expects you to bring your own. The limits. Claude Code uses a 5-hour rolling window for included usage. On May 6th, those limits were doubled, and the peak hour throttle on Pro and Max was removed. Codex CLI moved to consolidated API token usage on April 2nd, 2026. Plus and Pro users meter against tokens directly. Both let you spend past the included limits. The mechanism differs. Codex tops up at standard API rates. No published bulk discount. Claude Code has 2 paid top-up paths. Extra usage at standard API rates, with auto-reload and a monthly cap. And usage bundles you pre-purchase at up to 30% off. A $50 bundle is 10% off. A $250 bundle is 20% off. A $1,000 bundle is $700. 30% off. Individuals can buy up to $2,000 a month in bundles. Team up to 3,000. The bundle is a single pool across Claude Chat, Claude Code, Cowork, and the mobile apps. If you spend past the cap every month, that 30% gap compounds. The benchmarks. The trophy is split. swe-bench verified is the public coding leaderboard most developers cite. PT 5.5 sits at 88.7%. First place, Claude Opus 4.7 at 87.6%. Second, a 1.1 point gap. swe-bench Pro is the harder, less trainable version of the same benchmark. Claude Opus 4.7 sits at 64.3%. GPT 5.5 at 58.6%. A 5.7 point gap in the other direction. Terminal Bench 2.0 is the benchmark built specifically for command line coding agents, the right benchmark for a CLI tool. GPT 5.5 holds the state of the art at 82.7%. So GPT 5.5 wins too, including the one designed for CLI work. Opus 4.7 wins the harder generalization test. If you have switched between these two in the last month, the comments are open. I would rather hear which one finished the actual task than read another benchmark. What each one is good at. Claude Code. 1. Bundled with Claude Pro at $17 a month on annual, and usage bundles cut overage by up to 30%. A $1,000 bundle for $700. Codex has no bulk discount equivalent. 2. 1 swe-bench Pro by 5.7 points. When the benchmark is harder to memorize, the gap to Codex grows in Claude's favor. 3. Runs on more surfaces. JetBrains, iOS, and a desktop app with multi-session view. Codex matches neither JetBrains nor iOS. 4. Subagents, skills, hooks, Claude.md memory, and routines for cloud execution. The most mature workflow stack in any coding CLI. Codex CLI. 1. Built into ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month. Same plan that runs your chat. No separate AI bill. No second auth. 2. 1 swe-bench verified at 88.7% and Terminal Bench 2.0 at 82.7% state-of-the-art. The benchmark designed for CLI tools. Codex 1. 3. Open source under Apache 2.0. Fork it, audit it, modify the client itself. Claude Code's binary is closed. You can route it to other models via base URL, but you cannot change how the client works. 4. Goal is the most advanced agentic loop primitive in any CLI. Durable objective, idle continuation, token budget, the Ralph loop pattern. What each one is not. Claude Code 1. No free tier. Codex has 1. That gap matters before you commit. 2. Third-party model support is real, but requires routing. Z. AI and Moonshot ship Anthropic compatible endpoints. Wire in your base URL and Kimi or GLM runs. DPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek need a proxy in between like LiteLM or Claude Code Router. Not a one-click toggle. 3. Closed source. You cannot fork it, audit it, or self-host it. 4. 2 billing systems running in parallel. Included usage on a 5-hour reset window, plus opt-in extra usage at API rates. Codex consolidated to 1 token usage model on April 2. Simpler math for power users. Codex CLI 1. The Pro tier is $200 a month. 10 times the plus price for 20 times the usage. Seems steep ladder cursor's pricing has. 2. Lost swe-bench Pro by 5.7 points. The harder benchmark is the one Codex did not win. 3. No JetBrains extension, no iOS app. If your IDE is not versus code or cursor, you are out. 4. The pricing model just changed on April 2. Plus users on per message billing got moved to token usage. That kind of change tends to repeat. The verdict. If you already pay for ChatGPT and want a coding CLI at no extra bill, Codex CLI on ChatGPT+. If you ship code every day and want the best workflow primitives, Claude Code on Claude Pro at $17. If you spend past the cap every month and want bulk discount overage, Claude Code with usage bundles. 3 audiences, 3 picks. The read. ET 5.5 wins 2 benchmarks, including the one built for CLI tools. Opus 4.7 wins the harder one and ships on more surfaces. Codex is the only one of the 2 you can fork. Claude is the only one of the 2 with bulk discount overage at 30% off. If your usage is light, Codex is free. If your usage is heavy and bills past the cap, Claude is cheaper. The split trophy at the top is real, and so is the split in what you pay below it. Subscribe for AI and tech explained simply, no hype. New videos Tuesday and Friday.